Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Alex Balingit, founder and creator of Trading Circle Academy. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan naman natin ang 4 ways to avoid missing good trades. Number 1, use a journal. Why? Through journal, makikita mo, namimiss ko yung trades at, makakalculate mo na, tuwing morning pala, hindi pala maganda mag-enter. Tuwing midnight pala or tuwing gabi din pala maganda mag-enter. So, you have to use a journal. Parang natatrack mo, namimiss ko yung trades tuwing mga ganitong oras. Now, I know how to use pending orders and maximize it. Number 1, use a journal. Number 2, decrease your risk exposure. Change your strategy to make more trades than your margin can take. So, kung hindi na kaya ng margin mo, change your strategy. Number 3, setting alerts and orders. Napaka-important po nito para hindi nyo ma-miss yung good trades. So, this is a way on how you're going to fight FOMO. For the last is look Forex as a whole. Hindi pwedeng parang puro ups lang ang ifi-feel mo sa sarili